Hello everyone, this is Sotiris Tsakanikas presenting the new film preset pack, AETHER. This new pack contains 3 color profiles, Fuji, Portrait and Signature, and also a black and white one. Also some presets complementary for a softer and harder look. It also includes some tools to add grain, sharpening and vignetting to your images for faster editing. Also a white balance tool, which if the white balance of the image is off, it brings it closer to our desirable uh, edit. So let's see how the presets react to the images. Okay, let's try the classic Fuji profile. We bump up the exposure just a bit, bring back the highlights a bit to bring the details back to the flowers, maybe warm the image up a bit, some tint, and we are good. The second image, I really love the signature preset. Let's see, the signature heart brings back the contrast to the image, bump up the exposure just a bit, maybe bring the temperature back just a tad, and we can also adjust the opacity of the preset, of the profile to the image. So maybe there, yeah. Let's see, I really love the Fuji soft preset in this image. Maybe warm it up a bit, just a bit, and it's ready. Let's see here. I really like the Portrait soft and this in direct sunlight. Maybe there. Bring back the white balance just a bit, and we are ready. I really love the black and white in this one. It brings the mood back to the image. Maybe add some grain and some vignette to bring our attention to the center of the image. Let's see here. Let's go with Portrait. Bring back the exposure, the highlights a bit, warm it up a bit, and let's add also some vignetting. Let's see here. I really love the greens in the signature pack. So let's try hard. So the white balance is really off in this image. So let's see. We can use the white balance adjustment tool. Maybe bring it back a bit colder. Okay, it looks good now. Let's see here. The Fuji looks really good on this one. Warm it up just a bit. Bring the shadows up to bring the detail back to the jacket. And it's ready. Let's see here. I really like the portrait, this one. Bring back the exposure. Warm it up just a bit. And it's ready. Let's see here. Fuji works really well in these situations. And it's ready. Let's see. The portrait also looks very nice here. It brings back the contrast and the colors. We could also use that. Let's see here. I really like the portrait also in this one. Bump up the exposure just a bit. And it's ready. Let's see also how the Fuji looks in this one. Also good. It could also work. Very lovely. I really like the signature in this one. Let's up the exposure a bit, warm it up. Let's see here. and it's ready. So as you can see, it's a very easy pack. It works really fast. It gives the film look that we desire, and you can easily with the tools fasten up your editing and have a signature look to your galleries. Thank you very much.